Welcome to this video tutorial on MyRePORTER. In 2020, the Reporter application was revamped to make finding information about specific NIH-supported grants, investigators, and institutions quick and easy. Adding to Reporter's functionality, NIH is proud to release its new, modernized MyRePORTER site. To begin, visit the NIH Reporter page at https://reporter.nih.gov. The immediate difference you will see, from the version released in the fall, is the Sign In button, in the upper right corner. This is where you access the MyRePORTER functionality. MyRePORTER permits you to save searches, and set customized email notifications, for when new projects are funded, or new publications are made, that are linked to projects that are part of your search criteria. Access to MyRePORTER is through login.gov. We will start with the Quick Search feature. The new search feature has been modernized with powerful search technology that provides lightning-fast retrieval of information. Just type in the search field key terms or words for the science that is of interest to you. So, let's search on COVID-19 vaccines as an example, and click Search. In very short order, the system returns the results, in this case, 277 projects, as seen in the upper left corner of the search results table. As part of the MyRePORTER interface, you will see a Save link, in the upper right corner, next to the Export button. Click the link, to save the quick search. This will open the search criteria screen. Here you can provide a customized title for the search, add notes, and select the options for the weekly email alerts. When you click Save, you will see a dialog box appear in the upper right corner, confirming the search has been successfully saved. If you look at the Sign In drop-down menu in the corner, where your email address is displayed, you will see several options. One of the options will be the search you just saved. The system will automatically name any untitled saved search based on the date and time the search is saved. Back on the main Reporter screen, you will find the Advanced Projects Search section. If you need additional criteria to use for your search, click on the Looking for Additional Search Fields text at the bottom of the search window. This expands the window to include a number of additional fields you can use to narrow your search. In this example, let's search for mRNA vaccines for new research projects. In the text search field, we will add mRNA vaccines. In the award type, we will select New. And from the funding mechanism, we will select Research Project Grants. We then scroll down to click the green Search button, in the bottom right corner. Note, at the top of the search results screen, the search has found 19 matches, and the search criteria is summarized across the top. Let's save the search, by clicking the Save link. We will give the search a title of New mRNA Vaccine Projects, and we will check the box for Project, for weekly email alerts. We will save the search by clicking the blue Save button. Now, let's go to a dashboard from the drop-down menu that contains several saved searches. Some of the searches are from using the Quick Search option, others from using the Advanced Projects Search option. To save you time and clicks, you can update your weekly alerts directly on the card. Either add an alert by clicking on an unchecked checkbox, or remove an alert by clicking on a previously selected checkbox. You can also delete a saved search by clicking on the red trash can icon. You will need to confirm if you want to permanently delete the search. You can edit a search by clicking the gray Edit icon. And you can run the search for the most recent information by clicking the arrow icon. The design of the cards is convenient, modern and effective for the majority of users who may have a reasonable number of saved searches. However, what about those users who have a significant number of saved searches? At the top of the Saved Searches screen is a drop-down menu to switch from card view to table view. By selecting the table view, the screen immediately converts to the familiar table layout. And you will see that you have all the same functionality as with the card view. You can update your alerts. And you can see which searches were created as quick searches. And by clicking on the three-dot overflow icon, you can run the search again, edit the search, or delete the search. Finally, on the menu dropdown, in the upper right corner, MyRePORTER will display the 5 most recently used searches. By displaying the 5 most recent searches, MyRePORTER is saving you additional time and effort. A number of resources are available to you, should you need assistance with Report and its tools, like MyRePORTER. Stay on top of the NIH-funded research you care about. Use MyRePORTER today. This concludes this video tutorial on the new, modernized MyRePORTER site. Thank you for watching.